Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here, and today I would like to show you the dashboard and Google Sheet that works for in intraday for all your intraday needs. That it will fulfill all your intraday needs. For example, if you want to trade in Nifty, this will give you Nifty bias and it will let you know Nifty bias. And if at all, if it is, for example, if you want to trade in Bank Nifty, there is something called here. When you come down, scroll down, and you will see a Bank Nifty over here. And on the other hand, we also have stocks over here. There is a stock filter, bullish stocks over here, and these are all bearish stocks. And try to understand. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, and this is purely for information provided in this video is for only study purpose and educational purpose. And any trading decision made based on this data should be done under the guidance of a qualified financial advisor and or entirely at your own risk. The creator assumes no responsibility. I'm not responsible for any financial losses incurred by seeing this video and trading with this. So please understand this is for educational and stock study purpose. Let me first let you know this what all are there in this sheet. This sheet has got Nifty weekly, whether it is negative or weekly negative. Next week, whether it is positive or week negative. It will let you know first in the first column. You can see, and after that, you can also see that there is a Nifty support level as per the OI. The 24,000 is the support, and the resistance is also shown here. And after that, we have a zone. Okay, there is a Nifty GANN bullish levels are given. This you can use as early as 9:15. Just draw two lines, and you will find the beautiful movement of the Nifty, and you can catch it. So this is GAN, and then after that there is something called Fibonacci levels. These are the Fibonacci levels with current price, reversal price, reverse probability. See, these are all probable things, okay? And reversals are given here, and then bullish reversal and bearish reversal, or positive reversal or negative reversal. And then we have a data, okay, dashboard that is that lets you know whether Nifty data negative or bias or positive bias as per the momentum. And option study is 24,000 put option. Reference is 4 rupees 1 paisa. Today's monthly and weekly expiry. So then we have the conditions to follow. Nifty data analysis is that because studies strike 24,000 put options, we can study. And price behavior below 23,998. That means when the strike trades below 23,998, then and then only we can consider this 24,000 put option. And when you come down and look at this Nifty LTP and Nifty open price is also given. This works in live market. And then we have overall OI study, that is positiveness and negativeness. How much is no positive and how much is negative bias. And then come to this next part is these are four. There are four sectors: two bullish and two bearish, or two gainers and two losers. Example, chemicals is bullish today. I mean, gainer today, and oil and gas and consumer fuels also gainer today. So when you see, if you want to trade using the sectors, you just come over here. You can see the stocks over here. When you see chemicals, chemicals almost 1% to upside move. Tata Chem almost 11% move was there in Tata Chem. Let me see Tata Chem. Let us see what happened in Tata Chem. Tata Chem is, so it went so well, so beautiful. You can see this, it went from here to here. Okay, so this filters the stocks that are so powerful, and this also sectors that are oil and gas, consumer fuels are the gainers, and Nifty private banks are losers, and again automotive and auto companions are also negative. So, and that based on that, you can see Motherson Sumi, Balkrishna Industries, MRF, TMPV. These stocks are negative. Okay, and then coming to this again, bull stocks are here and bear stocks are here, and with strike prices are also given over here. So which strike price is very strong and which price is very weak, that will be given over here. And then you come to how to use this. For example, if at all, if you can check, for example, the stocks are going here. If you want to trade in Nifty, just go here. If you want to trade or study Nifty, you can just go and check Nifty over here. First of all, you have to select the expiry. For example, see here I have given a date. You can go back and today's expiry you can select, or next week expiry if I want to trade. Like then the expiries are given here. You just select this expiry, and once you select Nifty, it will let you know whether it is which side is there. Okay. So now the study is sideways, and recommendation focus on put option, and then auto Nifty study is 23,850, and you can see the preference price, resistance, resistance 1, resistance 2, and risk zone. Anytime if you want to check the any strike price that you of your own choice, you can go over here, and you can just put whatever strike price you want. Like if I want to check 23,900 put option, then I can go and check next week expiries, breakout, and resistance, risk 1, risk 2, risk 3, risk 4, risk 5, and risk zone. So this you have to respect your risk zones, and you should understand what is your risk and reward while trading. And coming to any stock, for example, if you want to trade, if you want to check and know about stocks, then go to last expiry, monthly expiry, and wait for just 1 minute, and it will let you know whichever stock that you want to trade. For example, if at all, if it is Adani Enterprises is bullish, then you can see here Adani Enterprises is bullish on this part. So in Adani Enterprises, it has already 23,050, sorry, 2350 call option. So we can go, it is positive bias, and we can focus on call option. So now you can go over here, you can select your own strike price that you want to trade. Now the current price is 2411. Then if you want to go with 2420, say 2420, and then you go over here and select your own strike price. And Adani Enterprise 22420 call option, breakout price is 130, resistance is 151, resistance 2 173, resistance 4 3 is 191, 4 is 201, resistance 5 is 231, and risk zone is 115. So this way you can study your stocks, whatever stock you want. For example, on the negative side, on the bearish side, stocks are here. Ultra Tech Cement is on the bearish side. You can select any stock from the given list. For example, if I select here Apollo Hospital, if I want to check Apollo Hospital, what is the status, whether it is sideways or is it positive or negative, I just select the stock, next month's stock, and just refresh the page. If at all, if I don't get any information, okay, then I can also change this expiry also. If at all, if I wish to trade, check, Apollo Hospital, then I can go and check my expiry, change my expiry. So now, as of now, this month expiry is over. Now it is almost 2:30 of 28th of May, sorry, April. So this is the last day of the monthly expiry. So it is better to check with the next month expiry. Just go here and select your own strike price, and it will pull the data and let you know whether the bias is on the right side, on the bullish side, or on the positive side or negative side. And the stocks are given very clearly over here. And this is called this is to find out the GAN levels of this is an easy GAN levels calculator. So enter your price, the price of the current price of any stock or any option or anything. You just enter to check out where the breakout happens in that. Particularly, this is useful for options to check whether when the where is the resistance, where is the breakout, and where is the risk. Everything is mentioned over here. So this sheet has, let me walk through this. So one, the sheet has got weekly status of OI status, and then next week OI status, and Nifty support with strike price, and then resistance of strike price based on the OI. Then, as per build up, the zone for 24,000 put level is going on, and risk is also given. Risk reference is also given. Exit reference is also given. and then comes over here Nifty GAN levels. So no, where from where Nifty is no become bullish. This should be checked only at 9:15. Once the market is open, you get 9 by 9:15 you get these two levels. You have to mark the two lines like this. For example, let me show you this. Just today we got two levels. No, I have marked this like okay, GAN bullish level and GAN bearish level, and wait for that time. Okay, see, once you see a green candle, it shows that market has become a taken a bullish turn and a positive turn. And then again, we have all the information. For example, auto Fibonacci levels or reversal at 2499 at present current. In the morning, it was reversal was 24178. Let me show you 24178. I just no 24178. I can draw 24178 is the price. Just check it and how perfectly it worked. Like it went up and it came down exactly from there. I have shared this same details with all of you, and I have given the details also. Okay, then you can see that from there Nifty started falling, reversal started, and the negativity started from the from this level. So the levels are can be predicted before the market is open, and even in the live price also we can check. And again, we have a dashboard that is a Nifty data negative bias as per the momentum option study. If it is positive, it will let you know in green color, and it will let you know in red color when it is a negative bias. So now currently at this present, now present situation, as per this present status, it is negative, and to study is strike price to study is 24,000. Put option reference price is 10 rupees 30 paise. Observation is market showing weakness. And then again we have to see the yellow part. This is yellow colored part is to condition, what condition has to be followed. And then again we have LTP and open price of Nifty. Then we have total bearishness and bullishness kind of percentage. Then we have something called no sectorial filters. Four kinds of two kinds of sectors are given: two bullish and two bearish, or two gainers and two losers. And when you if you want to check the sectors, the stocks under that particular sector, for example, chemical. Now, under the chemical, we have all these stocks, and under the power and energy, we have all these stocks. And under the private banks that are losers, their Axis Bank, HDFC First Bank, all these types of banks were losers. So we have a dashboard that lets you know which sector is bullish and which sector is gaining, which sector is losing. Then after that, we have a stock drop down box where you can study how it is going well, how well it is going. For example, if there is any FNO stock in the sectors, for example, in this PI Industries is bullish. So if you can come over here and check PIIND, then you can just type it and get the information with the next month expiry. First of all, you have to check the which expiry you would like to check. So you first have to select the strike price. Then if it is not showing, just refresh the page and it will pull the data and it will let you know. See, pinned is a Nifty buyer, a positive bias. I recommend is focus on call option, and there is a reference price is in this, and reference strike price is 3,140. You can also check any other strike price if at all. If you don't want to trade that, you can also check that. Now you can see the condition that is here, and the GAN levels also given here. So now 3,150. So you can check anything like 3,150, 180, 160, whichever strike price you want. You can, the moment you select, you get the breakout levels, resistance, and risk zones are given here. So this is all in one, and three parts will come, and you can go and use this. This is called a three-in-one sheet, and those who are interested to have this such kind of sheet and create one for you, please contact me at my number 9492340656. Thank you very much again. And again, finally, if you want to check Bank Nifty, also you can check Bank Nifty. Just type two letters and you get Bank Nifty of next month. Now any expiry you can select it. When you okay, I have selected next month expiry, and the bias is also shown. Okay, so this is how it works. Please and visit my subscribe my YouTube channel and help me to improve my numbers, and also uh, Get in touch with me. My number is 949-234-0656. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.